Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word cluck. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The farmer heard the loud cluck of the chickens as he entered the coop. Cluck is the sharp, low sound made by a chicken or hen, typically used to communicate with other chickens or as a sign of alarm or agitation. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.